Hello everyone, welcome to MS Aptiv webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to rotate the BitLocker recovery key from Intune Portal for Windows 10 device. This is going to be a short video as we have already covered most of things about BitLocker key rotation in the last video. If you haven't seen that video, then check out that video first. Link to that video is given in the description. Till now, we have applied endpoint security disk encryption policy on our Windows 10 device. In that policy, we have also enabled key rotation setting for our Azure AD joint devices. Windows 10 system drive is protected with BitLocker encryption. As we can see, C drive is encrypted. Before a recovery key is rotated, we can find out what values we have on our Windows 10 device. Open a Windows PowerShell admin, click on Yes, and type this command manage-bd space -protectors space -get and your drive letter. After typing this command, press Enter key. This numerical password is used to unlock drives that are in BitLocker recovery mode. Keep the PowerShell open. We will compare this BitLocker recovery key after we rotate the BitLocker recovery key from the Intune portal. Go back to Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. Sign in to the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center as a global administrator or an Intune service administrator. We can access Microsoft Endpoint Manager using the URL https://endpoint.microsoft.com. On homepage, click on Devices. Click on All Devices. In the list of devices, click on a device that you want to manage. In our case, click on Lab Win10-D01. We will be on Overview page. Select More and then click on the BitLocker key rotation device remote action. It will give us a warning that if you rotate the encryption keys on this device, you will remove all keys on the device. You want to rotate keys anyways? Click on Yes. Wait for the confirmation message. We can see the message BitLocker key rotation initiated. And here we can see the same message is there. BitLocker key rotation pending. Now Intune will reach out to the device and trigger the BitLocker key rotation, which can be traced easily in the event log for BitLocker. This will take some time to apply the change on our Windows 10 device. Let's go back to Windows 10 device to check the result of BitLocker recovery key rotation. First of all, I'm going to initiate manual sync with Intune. So let me click on sync. Okay, last sync was completed successfully. Now open Windows PowerShell. Click on Yes. In PowerShell, again type the same command manage-bd space -protectors -get C drive. Press Enter key. We can see the new BitLocker recovery keys on our Windows 10 device. Let me adjust the PowerShell a little bit so we can easily see the old entries and the newer one. So this first entry was gathered before triggering the BitLocker key rotation from the Intune portal. And the second entry is the newly generated BitLocker password after triggering the BitLocker key rotation from the Intune portal. So we can see rotation of the BitLocker recovery key from Intune portal has completed successfully. We can also check logs on our device to confirm that. Let's open Event Viewer. Expand Applications and Services Logs. Go to Microsoft, Windows, BitLocker API, and click on Management. Here we can see all the logs related to BitLocker recovery process and key rotation information. I have exported all the older logs before starting the recording of this video, and I have also cleared all the old log entries. So basically, the logs which we are seeing right now are from the BitLocker recovery key rotation process. We have first log entry with the event ID 855 for recovery password rotation initiated. Then we have the second event ID 845, BitLocker drive encryption recovery information for volume C was backup successfully to your Azure Active Directory. Then we have the next event ID 775 about a new BitLocker protector was created. Next we have event ID 776 about the old BitLocker key protector was removed. Next we have event ID 864 about recovery passwords rotation and Azure Active Directory deletion request processing initiated successfully. And the final log entry with the event ID 857 is there that recovery password rotation done successfully. BitLocker recovery key rotation from Intune Portal has been completed successfully. We also want to confirm that new BitLocker recovery key is also updated in Azure Active Directory. Let's check that. Go back to Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center, and here we can see the old message BitLocker key rotation pending. Now I'm going to refresh the web page. And this time we can see the message BitLocker key rotation completed. Under Action, we can confirm the status complete. To see the new BitLocker recovery key, under Monitor, click on Recovery Keys. At this moment, we can see we have two BitLocker recovery key available in our Azure Active Directory. This is due to the information is not up to date in Azure Active Directory. This will take a while to update the information. The old recovery key information will be removed from Azure Active Directory and you will have only new BitLocker recovery key in Azure Active Directory. So we can confirm that the BitLocker recovery key is updated in Azure Active Directory. That's all for this video on how to rotate the BitLocker recovery key from Intune Portal. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.